Hello everybody. I'm in the car waiting for my turn. I'm here sa set ng High Street. Pero wala pa. So, hindi pa ako kinukunan. Pero sila, nagtitake na sila. Hello, Boss Lavin! Shout out to you. Walang training yung mga bata today. Nakauwi na si, Papa B. Hello, Boss Enzo. Mega Macarena. Hi, Manel. How are you? I miss you. I see a lot of my friends coming on. Hello. I miss you. Hi, Aboy Sir. Hi, Tori. Hi, Cam saw you. Hi. Yo, it's Jerwin. Hi, Ate Kate. Hello, Miss Bao. I miss you. Let's work na. Ate Kate, kamusta ang mga ganaps mo? Nag-relax ka na ba? Ito na yung pang-relax ko. Nico! Ano ba? Magnanegosyo na tayo. Lael, hi. Okay. So, I'm actually... Hello? Hi, Sam! Congratulations on the launch of... Is it... Oh my God. Baka mamali ako ng... Is it Meti? Oh no. Mamamali ako ng Tama ba? Sa Mithi ba ang Barabas? Na bagong launch. Hey, my Jazzy! I love you, I miss you, and congratulations on everything. Sorry, nasa taping pa ako, pero once na matapos ako. Ate, di pa tayo natutuloy. Ate Kate, sorry. Alam mo naman yung mga ganap ko sa buhay. I-message mo lang ako, madali lang yan. Hello, salamat po Purse Phone Official Store. And, pahinga mga daddy today. Yes, sir. Pahinga mga daddy today. Hello, on OFW, Lizelle Nunez Pautan from Kuwait. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Hello to Colin, I miss you. Yes, nasa High Street ako today. Tustiana. Nakabait ka na, Tori. Ayoko nga. Hello, Anna Dark. Hey, Jello. Love you too. Hi, Ate Weng! Hi, Ate Weng. Mga mami, kailan magpapay? Tatanong natin kay JD yan. Madam JD. Kay... Sino pa mga nandito? Ella Cakes, hey. Bon Flores from Dubai. Hello po sa inyo. Nuraiza from Zamboanga City. Kamusta po? Hi, Vito! Guwapo. Dagang salamat, Vito. Giflaftered ko ni mo kay... Gwapo man ang magsabi. Vito, I need to go na to Cebu. You need to take me now on that beach trip. I think I need it. Sabi ni Meme Castro, gigil mo kami, Miss Story. That's good. That's my job. Ang gigilin kayo. Eliza. Hi. Elsa from Dubai. Watching from Pasay, you really? Hello from Indonesia. Bob. Edwin Gunturo? Is it? Maron 579. Hello. Who else are here? Hi, Pave. Nasaan si Wesley? Mamaya try nating mag-live na nandyan si Wesley. Huwag kang papatalo kay Sky. Hi, Ate Wens! Nandito ako sa taping, Ate Wens. Kailangan natin kumita para maganda opening natin. Pambayad sa mga pang 23 franchise, Ate Wena. Nasa parking po ako ngayon ng High Street. Okay, hi po to I am Giovanni from Jansan. Shout out po. Salamat sa mga nanonood. Bisaya si Ma'am Dims. No, dili ako magbisaya. Dili ako Bisaya, pero ang akong bana from Cagayan de Oro, kabalo kong gamay. Gamay ra. Hi, Volts. Hi, Cam saw you again. Hello, darling 18 from Australia. Ooh, Colleen, Dream Cake Soap just arrived. Congrats, ate. Thank you. March from Malaysia. Hello. Bibi Joey from Qatar. Where is Sky? I don't know where Sky is. At pag nahanap ko sa Sky, hindi ko maipapangako magiging mabait ako sa kanya. Okay. May main Castro. Pati mga kids ko gigil sa'yo, Ma'am Tori. Yan talaga. Okay. Real M's. Hi, Tori. Hey, guys. Michelle Molina from Los Angeles. Hello. Dang, giggle ka. Watching from Pasig, definitely. Not James Z. Hi, Gandalsify. I love you too. Hi, Andeng. Hello. Hi, Mary. Kay Shea. Miss Story, wag niyo na pong pahirapan si Sky at si Tanya. Pag-isipan ko. From Toronto, fabricator and mounters. Hello po. Okay, what else? Who else are here? Okay. Watching from Cebu, Keisha. Nico, kailan na tayo magkikita? Kaya nga next eh. Pwede naman akong kidnapin. Lagi naman ako nasa, TV5 sa umaga. So guys, oo nga pala. This is Dream Cake. Ito pa makalimutan. These are my items. Well, I have them here because may nag-order. This is the glaze and this is the icing. Thank you, Noraiza. So this is my key for not wearing too much makeup on. I actually just put makeup on kasi kailangan ko magmukhang matapang. Pag wala kasi ako makeup, di ako mukhang matapang. So, yeah. Don't forget, it's on my TikTok shop. Kasama na rin yung soap. May soap na kami, 199 lang, guys. Don't forget. Ang ganda. Okay. I-DM nyo sa akin yung sa mga gustong malaman ko ano yung iniinom ko to lose weight. And I'm gonna DM you the link where I buy the things that I drink. Very easy lang siya. I drink it in the morning and then dalawa before lunch and then before dinner. And I've been losing weight. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Hi, Celestial. Thank you. BJMDV. Hello. Finger hearts. Aloha from Hawaii. Wilma Manzano. Ringor. Angge, I miss you so much. Parang wala ka kanina, but ganyan. So, I have been busy because si Cap Cali, she's almost finishing school. I've been talagang grabe yung pagtatrabaho ko lately because grabe din yung kailangang attention. Buti na lang si Papa B takes care of the kids really well, but grabe yung attention na kailangan ng mga bata pag tatlo yung anak mo. So, I have... Sorry, guys. So, if you didn't know yet, I have 3 kids. I have one 20-year-old, one 9-year-old, and one 2-year-old. So, grabe talaga yung... enjoy bukid nun, ge. Grabe din talaga yung aking pag-hustle lately. Kasi talagang iba rin yung requirement pag tatlo na yung anak mo. And, well, one is nagpipiloto. So, I have to work really hard. In fact, dati, kunwari, kung 4 days ang trabaho ko ngayon, 7 days na. Hello, Johan Kind. Grabe ang plot twist ng High Street even, Ma'am Tori. I'm so happy you guys are enjoying High Street. I'm so happy. That makes me very happy. Shout out to my Dreamscape family. Hello sa lahat ng mga nanonood at the moment. Cute yun naman. Don't forget to buy the soap of Dream Cake. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi nyo pagsisisihan. 199 lang, nasa TikTok shop ko yan. Tapos, after nyo yun matry, or kung gusto nyo nang pagsabihin, bumili na rin kayo nito. Kasi yun talaga yung combination niya. The soap, the glaze, and then the icing. All for the face and the body. And pwede rin to sa intimates nyo. very fulfilling naman talaga yung pagiging mom. Pero grabe din talaga, parang, so, kaway-kaway sa lahat ng mga mommies dyan who really have to hustle very, very hard. You got this. Kaya nyo yan. Hi, Jillian. Hello. Hi, Didi Dantes. Hello sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Okay, I'm just gonna go live on my Facebook page and then I'm gonna try to go back to you guys kung wala pa naman tinatawag sa akin, ha? Bye!